Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can activate your HSBC debit card. To begin, open your web browser and visit the official HSBC Bank website by searching for hsbc.co.uk. Once on the website, navigate to the Help Service and Security section in the menu bar, and then select Customer Support from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to locate the Card Support section and click on Activate Your Card. You'll find detailed instructions for activation through the mobile banking app or online banking. For the mobile app method, log in to your HSBC account, access Manage Cards, choose the card to activate, review the information, and confirm. If using online banking, log in with your security key. Select the relevant account. Go to Manage, pick Activate Card, choose the card, review, and confirm. Following these steps, you'll successfully activate your HSBC debit card. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.